速了。有驾照吗？
有中国驾照。
OK。赶紧下车！
啊！
一会儿警察来了，拜托你告诉他，是你开的车，不是我。
你违章为什么要我顶包？
如果是你开的车，顶天了也就给你一张罚单，缴罚款的事儿，一切的罚款我会承担。另外，我会再给你一笔帮忙费。
Put your hands in the air.
跟他说，
Put your hands on the car and don't move.
你开的车。
Put your hands on the car and don't move.
我这么做也是没办法。之前我的驾照被吊销了，到现在还没有复照。一旦警察知道无照驾驶或醉驾一等，那就不光是罚款，很有可能会被起诉。所以，请你帮帮我，就说是你开的车。
这位大哥，你犯法了，你知道吗？ You're under arrest for driving without a license, obstruction of justice, and driving with excessive speed. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used in a court against you. You need to follow us in this car so you can testify at the police station. Let's go.
Mr. Shu Che, a month and a half ago, June 20th, this license was revoked. There's nothing indicating that he intended to pay the fines.
Do you object to the charges of driving with a revoked driver's license?
I'm sorry. I have the right to remain silent.
Can you give me an explanation why we're suspicious of you obstructing justice? Getting others to take the blame for you?
Without my lawyer here, I'm not saying anything.
Thank you.
Please give us a full account of how your friend, Mr. Shu Che, asked you to bear the consequences for his reckless driving.
Miss Yao, would you say that you and Mr. Shu are friends?
No.
No? No. Huh. Miss Yao, I think there's something that you need to understand here. The officer that pulled you over understands Chinese. He overheard your conversation with Shu Qi, okay? So regardless of whether or not you provide us with any testimony, we already have evidence that Shu Qi abetted another person, you, to take blame for his own crimes. You know what that's called? Obstruction of justice. And if we find out that you're saying anything here that's contrary to the facts, we wouldn't rule out the possibility of charging you with perjury.
I'm the attorney of Mr. Shu Che. My client will not admit any charge against him at the moment. We will wait for the judgment of the court. 舒澈，你有权利一直保持沉默。
Okay, Ms. Yao, thank you very much for this testimony. This will help us to build a case against this guy for obstruction of justice, for his other violations. You've done the right thing. Go ahead and sign your name here. And there's your thumbprint right here. And you're free to go. Oh yeah. Also, we won't be holding Mr. Shu's car, so if you need to use it, you're free to do so.
Oh, by the way, how do you say taking the blame for others in Chinese?
顶包，
Oh, 顶顶pan,
顶包，
Ding bao.
顶包.
Ding
Oh.
bao. Ding bao. Here's just one thing I'm curious about, Ms. Yao, if you'll allow me. Let's say the officer didn't understand Chinese. In that case, would you still agree to ding bao for your friend?
I can't answer a hypothetical question.
Relax. Honestly, I'm just trying to understand the difference in perspective between our two cultures. I mean, in China, would it be considered disrespectful to refuse your friend in that situation? It's okay. You don't have to answer the question if you don't want to. All right, Ms. Yao, thank you very much. Free to go.
Thank you.
Hear this?
Mr. Shu Che, based on the report from the highway official and the testimony from Ms. Xiaoqing, you are charged with driving with a revoked license, speeding, reckless driving, and the obstruction of justice.
Ding bao.
You are now under arrest.
I'm going to apply for bail for my client.
This is right, and you can talk to the judge about that. But tonight, Mr. Shu Che will be spending his night in jail. Come with us for processing.
I need to have a private conversation with my client.
Go ahead.